Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to our 1 minute abs challenge. Do this from home. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice one. Up and down. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice one. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exercise number 3. Let's go up. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, exercise. Next exercise here, you're touching the toes one at a time. 3, 2, go. 1, 2, up. 3, keep it straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exercise number 5. We're gonna be here with clapping under the legs. 1, 2. Let's go. 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.